your podcast for mental strength, discipline, and inner peace. Today we will focus on a topic that many of us face daily: negative self-talk. Often, we are our own harshest critics. These destructive thoughts and self-doubts arise unconsciously, but they significantly impact our actions, decisions, and overall well-being. Stoic philosophy, particularly the teachings of Marcus Aurelius and Epictetus, provides powerful tools to break these negative thought patterns. They teach us that it's not external events that shape our lives, but how we interpret and respond to them. In this episode, we'll explore how to apply Stoic principles to identify and transform destructive thoughts into constructive and empowering self-talk. Recognizing your destructive thoughts. The first step in overcoming negative self-talk is becoming aware of these thoughts. Much of our self-doubt runs in the background, unnoticed and unchecked. You may have thought things like, "I'm not good enough," "I can't do this," or "What if I fail?" While these thoughts may feel real, they are often exaggerated reactions to our insecurities. The Stoics teach us that we are not disturbed by events themselves, but by our view of them. To rewrite your inner dialogue, you must learn to observe and question your thoughts. Is this really true? Or, is this thought helping me move forward? Replacing negative self-talk with positive thoughts. Once we've identified destructive thoughts, the next step is to transform them. A powerful tool for this is called reframing. This technique involves changing the way we think about a situation. If you're thinking, "I'm not good enough," reframe it as, "I'm growing and learning with every experience." Instead of, "I'll never achieve this," you can ask yourself, "What can I do to make this happen?" The Stoics encourage us not to fight what is outside our control, but to change our thinking. Epictetus once said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." You have control over your reaction. Use it to empower yourself. Techniques to improve your self-talk. In addition to reframing, here are some other techniques to help you improve your inner dialogue. Breathing techniques and mindfulness. A simple yet effective way to stop negative thoughts is through deep, conscious breaths. When self-doubt starts to overwhelm you, pause and take deep breaths. This technique helps center you and creates distance from negative emotions. Visualization. Imagine yourself successfully handling a difficult situation. This mental exercise can help build confidence and encourage positive thinking. The Stoics often practiced negative visualization, preparing themselves for the worst-case scenario to recognize that even the worst is not as terrifying as it seems. Journaling. Another valuable tool is keeping a journal where you reflect on your thoughts. Every evening, take a few minutes to think about your self-talk. What negative thoughts did you have today? How could you reframe them more positively next time? Additional techniques for deepening positive self-talk. Through Stoic practices, we can not only improve our self-talk, but also bring about long-term changes in our behavior and well-being. It's important to understand that these changes don't happen overnight. They require regular practice and patience. A proven method for dealing with negative self-talk is developing self-compassion. Often we are too hard on ourselves and would be much more forgiving if a friend were in a similar situation. Ask yourself, would I say the same thing to a friend that I'm telling myself right now? This simple technique can help soften your inner critic and foster more constructive, gentle self-talk. Conclusion. Our inner dialogue not only affects how we feel, but also how we act. By learning to recognize destructive thoughts and replace them with Stoic principles, we can transform our self-talk into a source of strength and inspiration. Remember, you have control over your thoughts, and with that, you have the power to shape your life.